Okay, so here's me lying down. Touching the wall. Actually, when I created this first film, I had just gotten back from Italy, and yeah, bad things happened there because I didn't know Italian, so you know, I could not order a baguette. And when I finished my degree, I went back home, and that's where I am now. Then I decided, you know what? Life is not very long. I need to seize the day. So I decided to move to Alaska. Okay. And, you know, I did not at this point have any idea what I was going to do. And I had no belongings. So I just went by myself with no belongings. And when I got there were so many birds. There were, oh my God, I couldn't even see 2 feet in front of me. All just birds, birds, birds everywhere, birds, birds everywhere. Ah, ah, pecking my eyes out. And so now I am blind, as maybe you can see in this video. But now I wear a handkerchief over my eyeballs because I'm blind.